Yeah, that's right. That's what I'm saying.
That's a good idea. That's actually not a terrible idea because here's what you do. You have like maybe 2 holes in your city that are designated like safe zones.
Yeah.
So you know all the criminals are going to go.
Whoa, dude! What are you, moron?
Take the next left onto Center Street. Continue on Center Street for 3/4 of a mile.
Oh my god. Dude. Damn, homeboy.
Oh my god.
Are you serious?
What a retard.
Driving a piece of shit BMW anyway.
Come on, look! I was right here! Hey! You need to look!
I can flood the dance floor every time it is. You just gonna park in the wrong lane? Just not even give a shit that you're like, and then drive the wrong way down a one-way street.
He's trying to get out of your way.
You couldn't have. Really, bro?
Okay. That was your favorite cut?
This is my reaction.
What was your favorite?
So much right away.
Oh, like.
Just gonna send it off. Bro. You're an idiot.
O ty kurwo je...
Are you kidding me? What the? Oh my god, you can't make this shit up. Is she dumb? Yeah, she is.
Tat on my wrist, like I do not know what permanent is. They want me gone.
bearded lad. Don't do it. What are you doing? What the hell are you doing? Absolute twat. The teaching horn had to be on for ages, eh? That was totally ridiculous.
Rain this morning in Melbourne, but then redeveloped around the lunchtime hours during the afternoon hours with gusty winds as well, but only expecting 5 to 10 millimetres with those showers.
On 7 there, the AFL is probing why Tom Hawkins was using a Geelong staffer's phone in the MCG Cambridge. During the lightning delay yesterday, the Starcat claimed he was innocent.
Oh dear, Rosie.
With the radar.
Be serious. Are you f***ing idiot?
That you would leave, so I can't pretend that I don't miss you, baby. Know that I've been lately, I don't wanna face it. Oh, I know, you know, I want you all alone, but then I don't.
Jess on the breeze. For easy decking, zydecking.com.au.
It's the More Music Breakfast Show here at Breeze. You've got Jess with you, keeping you company, playing you some great tunes. It is, of course, Friday, which means Chris Hollis back this afternoon with the Drive by Request. Your chance to choose the songs that you love for your drive home.
The Saturday Double.
Today we're featuring...
I got him on camera. Yeah, no.
Through a lot.
Got him on camera. Yeah, no.
Through a lot, very publicly, but is still around and just giving us her wonderful voice. I don't have words for this lady. It is Celine Dion, of course.